Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in ING Bank? Then watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser. Go to the search bar of browser and search for the keywords ING Bank login and hit the enter button. After that, you will see many search results related to ING Bank. Click on the secure banking login option. Click on this link which redirects you to some web page. And you can see a login page in this web page. Here you have to fill the client number. Fill the appropriate client number over here. You can use this calculator also in order to type. Make sure it is correct, and you have to fill the access code over here. Make sure you have the correct access code. In case you forgot the access code, you can click on this forgotten access code and simply click on this login button, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in ING Bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.